Let's open your English textbook on page number 90. Okay, see, here is a new lesson that is on page number 90, topic number 12, one Sunday. Okay, see, one Sunday. Okay, from the topic name we understood that this story is related about a one Sunday. Means we always said that Sunday is fun day or Sunday is a holiday, so we enjoy a lot on Sunday. So what is fun happened in this Sunday? We will see. See, it was Sunday. The boys played in the sun. Only Tom sat alone. Aunt Polly had told Tom to paint the fence. She gave him a bucket full of paint and a long brush. Tom looked the bucket and brush and looked at fence sadly. See, on Sunday we all of you are playing and enjoying. But what happened? Boys are playing in the sun. Only Tom. Here is a one boy named as Tom. Okay? Sat alone. Why he sat alone? Because his Aunt Polly had told him or asked him to paint the fence. Fence means compound wall. Okay? Aunt Polly asked to Tom to paint the fence compound wall. She gave him bucket of paint and long brush. Tom looked at bucket of color, brush and fence very sadly. It was long and high. He picked up the brush and painted a small part of the fence. See, this fence is very high, and from the expression of Tom we can understood Tom didn't want to paint this. So Tom painted only small part of the fence. And what happened? See the next. Then he said to himself, I must think of a way to go out of this. And what happened? Tom wants to any way. From which way? From Tom can rescue himself from painting. As Tom thought he saw Ben Rogers, one of his friends, come. Ben ran and jumped with an apple in his hand. See, when Tom thinking about how can he rescue from painting, he saw his another friend, that is name is Ben Rogers. What is the name of Tom? Tom's friend Ben Rogers. Okay. Ben Rogers had apple. Tom was a clever boy. He thought of an idea. He picked up the brush and started his work again. Tom is very clever. When he saw Rogers, he took again brush and started painting. Ben looked at Tom in surprise. He asked Tom, what are you doing? Ben asked to Tom, what are you doing? Tom did not answer. He pretended to be busy. Tom said that Tom pretended himself, means presented himself like he was busy. Ben spoke again. I am going for a swim, but you can't join me. You are working. Ben Rogers said to whom? Tom. What he said? He said that I am going to swimming, but you can't join me because you are busy. Tom answered angrily. Working, painting the fence is so much fun. Don't want to go anywhere. And Tom did very nice idea. He said that painting is didn't work. Painting is a very interesting. So he don't want to go anywhere. Ben said, really? Though painting the fence is fun, he said. Tom, please let me paint the fence. And because of Tom's answer, Ben said what he said. Ben said, if it is fun, I want to do painting. Please give me a chance. Tom said, no Ben, I can't let you paint the fence. I love doing it. And again Tom said, I want to do painting, so I can't give you. Ben thought about the fun and said again, please Tom, I am your best friend. He saw Tom look at his apple. He said, Tom, take this apple as a gift. Now can I paint the fence? And we know Tom is very clever, so he decided one idea and to give the experience of painting and enjoying the painting, Ben Rogers offered his apple to Tom and said that please have this apple, you can eat it and give me a chance of painting to the fence. Tom thought for some time and said, well Ben, you are a friend. I give you this brush. Are you happy now? And what happened? And after thinking sometimes, Tom gave him brush and said, now you can paint. And I am giving you a chance because you are my best friend. Tom sat in the shade and ate the apple. And Tom started to eat the apple. Students, what happened next? See here. Soon two boys walked by. They saw Ben at the work. He looked happily. Now they also wanted to paint the fence. They asked Tom, can we paint the fence? That two boys also become excited for the painting. So they asked to Tom. Tom said, you see, painting the fence is so much fun. I'm waiting for Ben give me a brush. Then again Tom said that painting is a very nice activity and I want to do it. I'm waiting that when Ben Rogers give me the brush for painting. The boys told Tom that they had some marbles and a kite. They wanted to give these things to Tom. Then like Ben Rogers, Tom, that two boys also offer some marbles. Okay, marbles means pebbles. Okay, in Marathi we can say गोट्या. Okay, गोट्या खेलते हो ना आप वो. Marble and kite they had and they want to offer to Tom for giving a chance of painting. Tom thought for a long time and asked Ben to give the brush to one of the boys. One by one, the boys painted the fence. Soon the fence was white and clean. Tom had an apple, many marbles, and a kite. Means what happened first? Ben Rogers painted the fence. After that, one by one, that two boys painted the fence. And because of that, work will be finished soon. And Tom had marbles, apple and kite also. Aunt Polly came out of the house. She looked at the fence and said, well, the fence is white and clean. You are good boy, Tom. You have worked hard. She gave Tom an apple as a reward. Tom was very happy now. He ran to play with his friend. And when Aunt Polly saw that all fence was painted at that time, Aunt Polly became happy and give a reward to Tom an apple. So Tom became very happy and ran to play with his friends. Understood, students? You have to read this topic and send me the audio. Thank you.